Thank you for watching. Today we are going to be talking about the CM-900 CO2 industrial gas detector. This device provides an early warning of the presence of hazardous levels of carbon dioxide in the environment, allowing workers to take prompt action to mitigate risks and prevent accidents. Easily connect to your building management system, meet all NFPA, IFC, and NBIC CO2 safety code requirements, and gain instant audible and visual alarms with fast and precise CO2 measurements, monitoring 0 to 5%. Establishments gain peace of mind having a CO2 detector that meets compliance safety standards, withstands daily washdowns, and knowing potential hazards are being continuously monitored and addressed. And with the option of a stainless steel or powder-coated aluminum enclosure, this device will meet standards in a wide range of applications. Inside the box, you will find the device itself and gas safety signage in both English and Spanish, as well as a QR code that directs to our CO2Meter Quick Start Guide. Please note, for proper installation, the CM-900 cable or connector must be purchased with this device. To get to the menu, press and hold the Enter and Up button at the same time for 10 seconds. The menu will open with a barometric pressure compensation. You have the option to turn this on or off. By default, it will be on. Press the Mode button to toggle through the menu. The second option is the latch mode. Use the up and down arrows to toggle the latch function on or off. Press Enter to save. The third option is the locking feature, where you can unlock the device in case you want to change any of the default configurations. When you have made your adjustments, press the Enter button to confirm options and close the menu. Press and hold the up arrow and Enter button together for 10 seconds to open the menu. Toggle the Mode button to get to the alarm changing options. Use the up arrow to unlock and press Enter to confirm. From here, toggle the Mode button to the desired alarm level setting. Press Enter to confirm, then the up and down arrows to adjust to your desired setting, and finally Enter to confirm your options. Thanks for watching. If you have further questions, please refer to the manual located under the Documents tab of the product page at www.co2meter.com or contact us at sales@co2meter.com. And if you're looking for other options, we also offer the CM-902 O2 industrial gas detector, which monitors 0 to 23% oxygen. This device also features an industrial enclosure built for harsh environments and washdown applications, and is designed to protect individuals working near hazardous gases like nitrogen, argon, chlorine, and many others that could cause an oxygen-deficient environment in confined spaces. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product demonstrations and helpful tips. Stay safe!